Hello dear students of 4th grade. Today I will discuss with you the question answers of first chapter of SST, that is story of the past, history. Before we start the question answers, kindly go through the pages which is on the screen. In this class we will discuss the question answers of first chapter. Let's we start. First one is, what is history? History means studying about the events of past and the reasons they took place. Here we find the answer. It means studying about the events of the past and the reason they took place. We can find the answer on page number 1. Second question is, list 4 things that are used to study history. And again on page number 1, history can be studied through various sources like monuments, artifacts, oral narratives, accounts and memories of travels, etc. Here we write the answer. Monuments, artifacts, oral narratives, accounts and memories of travelers, etc. are used to study history. The third one is, give 3 reasons why it is important to study history and what do you understand by the word tradition. A sound knowledge of our past allows us to relate our past to our present. It means जो हमारी नॉलेज है वो हमें हेल्प करती है रिलेट करने के लिए पास्ट को प्रेजेंट के साथ. सेकंड पॉइंट, हिस्ट्री टेल्स अस हाउ द व्यू पॉइंट एंड डिसीजंस ऑफ पावरफुल पर्सनैलिटीज अफेक्टेड अवर सोसाइटी. कि जो हमारी सोसाइटी थी वो अफेक्ट होती थी पावरफुल पर्सनैलिटीज के व्यू पॉइंट्स के साथ. We also study history to understand our customs and traditions. Customs और traditions को समझने के लिए भी हम history पढ़ते. Tradition. What do you understand by the word tradition? Tradition means the transmission of customs of beliefs from generation to generation or the fact of being passed on this way. जो हमारे कस्टम्स रीति रिवाज होते हैं जब हम उनको पास करते हैं एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन तक, उसको हम ट्रेडिशन बोलते हैं. Next one is, write briefly about the periods of history. The 3 periods of history are as follows. Here we can find the answer on page number 3, last paragraph. Ancient, the word ancient refers to something very old. Medieval, the word medieval refers to the middle phase. Modern, it means something that is more recent. The next one is, write briefly on how actions of people had an impact on our history. कि जो लोगों के एक्शंस थे वो कैसे हमारी हिस्ट्री को, इतिहास को प्रभावित करते हैं. People like teachers, scholars, politicians and leaders influence the lives of people around them. History tells us the viewpoint and decisions of these powerful personalities affected our society. Historical monuments tell us about the lives, beliefs and knowledge of people who lived during that time. Here we can find the answer on page number 2. People like teachers, scholars, politicians and leaders influence the lives of people around them. History tells us how the viewpoint and decisions of these powerful personalities affected our society. तो ये सब अफेक्ट करता था हमारी सोसाइटी. So question answers of chapter number 1 is completed. I hope so students will understand all the question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.